That's all I wanted.
Hindi ka nakakaintindi.
Mas yung mga cancer, ako nga pala si PaoLUL. Alam ko mahilig kayo sa mga naglalandian. Kaya ngayon magre-react tayo sa isang 90-Day Fiance series. Ang 90-Day Fiance ay isang American documentary / reality TV show kung saan nag-apply ng isang K1 visa ang isang international couple. Para hindi ito isang show kung saan iisipin pa lang nila na magkakasal sila. Hindi. Pumirma na sila ng mga dokumento na magpapakasal sila. So meron silang 90 days para makilala ang isa't isa, para maging close at para maintindihan ang kanilang magkaibang kultura ng mga lugar. Ito ang unang beses na papanoorin ko to. Kaya gusto ko kayong makasama sa pagkilala sa magjowa na ito. Mahilig ka sa jowa, simulan na natin. Ed! Mga Ed talaga!
Let's go. Hello, stop it. Oh my God.
Photographer siya.
Ouch. Perfect.
Seryoso siya rin bigay ng
Because I
tickets.
have a huge personality and it makes me feel tall.
Talagang focus pa ng photographer doon.
It's funny because I'm not tall.
May sense of humor siya. Gusto ko sa mga Tito Ed eh.
Thanks again. Thanks again.
Wholesome naman niya. Cute. Gusto ko siyang i-hug.
Teddy,
Gusto ko siyang sakalin. Sinabi niya dito, nakasala daw siya dati, divorced na, at meron siya isang anak na babae.
but when I met Rose, everything changed.
Yes! Philippines represent! Pumasok na din tayo.
This is Rosemarie. She's 23 years old and she lives in the Philippines. One day I'm online on social media. I'm scrolling through, adding friends, and I come across...
Meron na naman tayong kababayan na makakaahon sa hirap.
I sent her a friend request. She accepted me. And we became friends about 3 months ago.
Nakakit siya sa
She
TikTok niya,
has
alam mo na eh.
the-
Easy.
Oh, cool. So I said, look, will you be my girlfriend?
What?
Her response was, sure, I'll be your queen and you can be my king.
Nag-cringe ba siya sa ginawa niya?
Every
Nasukot
morning,
na siya.
Rose is the woman of my dreams.
Bakit ang bilis na mga pangyayari?
7,500 miles all the way to the Philippines to meet Rose, the love of my life.
Iba talaga mga babae, dalagang Pilipina, lakas.
Where are we shipping to today?
Well, what do you think?
Yeah?
The Philippines. Again, yeah.
Rosemary?
Again?
Marie.
All right.
Ilan na ba? Ilan na ba ang namingwit mo sa Pilipinas? Alam ko perlas kami, pero kung ano ata kinukuha mong perlas sa silanganan ha. Sinabi dito ni Ed na palagi daw niya pinapadalhan ng mga regalo si Rosemarie, pero hindi naman daw nakukuha ni Rosemarie yung mga regalo.
I've probably spent over $5,000.
What are you sending her?
Gano'ng karami ang $5,000 sa dali? 150,000? Ako na lang si Rose. Ako na magmamahal sa'yo, Ed, Tito Ed. Nakakaahon ka na sa hirap, Rose. Unting tiyaga na lang. Kapit lang.
Ed comes in
Sa
here all
leeg
the
ni
time,
Ed.
sending stuff internationally to his online
Hindi, joke lang. Pampamilya po kami channel.
I have not been in a relationship since my divorce 28 years ago.
So, naghanap siya ng 23-year-old.
Close to me again.
Ano tunay na Pilipino? Ay, hindi ka pala Pilipino.
Well, you look nice today.
Thank you.
So do I.
Ed told me a little
Ed talaga, oh. Ikaw talaga. Gigolo ka talaga.
chat with Ed. She is sweet. I can give her that.
Ang yaman nito.
Do you know where you're going exactly?
I don't. I know it's 3 hours north of Manila.
3 hours north is like a small
oras.
village. My mom is from the Philippines. They probably won't have plumbing there.
What?
Yeah, some homes you take showers just out of the bucket. It's so humid.
What?
You're gonna be sweating.
Puro mga Filipina ano pala to eh.
They have flying cockroaches too. Do you know?
Makapagsalita ka na, alam mo ba, American cockroach lang ang kayang lumipad. Eh nyo galing to eh. Makapagsalita kayo lumilipad na cockroach, leche.
Have you sent her other gifts?
Oh yeah.
How much money have you spent on gifts?
Yung kabadong tao.
Oh yeah.
Nagbayad ako ng 250,000 lang na maliit na bakit?
And my main concern is that she is using him.
Naalala nyo, dito rin kasi yung ano eh, yung naalala nyo sila, si Your Road, na babae, dito rin tong show na to eh. So, makikita mo laging ganun yung iniisip ng mga friends nila.
Your road.
Kaya pwede nyo naman kilala itong babaeng to. So, ayun.
She's never asked me for money. I haven't sent her one dime. Her sister texted me the other night.
Plot
And she
twist!
basically said, you know, I need help my store's gonna close.
Hindi. Mga Pilipino talaga. Opportunista kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Kaya mahal na mahal ko kayo eh. Mauna pa niya ligawan yung kapatid niyang babae kaysa dun kay Rose. Ano ba yan?
I was really shocked when I got the message from Rose's sister asking me for money.
Maria! Napupuno ka ng grasya, if you don't mind. Hindi ikaw akin. It's too long to come home, but we need now. Very badly needed. Please! Don't let Rosemarie... Well, alam na ng million viewers. Ang pinakinatatakutan ni Ed dito kung alam din ni Rose. Kumbaga, ini-scam ang kanyang puso.
It's gonna be a sad, sad day for me.
Yeah, ito ka sa mukha mo.
That's why you need to take a step back a little bit and look at the bigger picture.
Step back mo lang. Unting ganun lang.
Why my
Or
friends
malay
and
utak mo.
family are... And I plan to ask Rose to marry me.
O nga pala, papakasal automatic na. Ano yan?
So I have been dyeing my hair and it irritates my scalp.
Yeah.
I found out that mayonnaise makes it smoother and
Gusto mo ba maging
less
burger?
dry.
Gagawa ka ba ng macaroni? Salad, Ed, ano ba?
Smell like an egg salad sandwich. But it really, really
Mukha ka
works.
naman na itlog, Ed. Okay na lang.
wanna look young
Putol-putol
for
niya lang, paminta, goods ka na. Idol ka, Ed. Iba ka talaga. Tunay na gigolo. Yun! Pilipinas represent.
Good morning.
Anak na siya?
My name is Rose and I'm 23 years old. I'm live in Caloocan City,
Okay.
Philippines.
Parang hindi siya masaya. Okay lang, naintindihan kita.
I'm single mom for my son, Prince.
Oh, may anak na nga siya.
He is 4 years old.
Kaya pala King at gusto niya it all interconnects into the American green card zone.
And my son for Miss Blessing.
Para narinig ka na yan ah. Hashtag blessed! Dito sinabi ni Rose na mahirap lang sila, wala silang kusina, wala silang banyo at nakatira lang siya sa likod ng store ng kanyang kapatid. Maria?
Live with my sister Maria, one house.
Maria, may susumbong ako sa'yo. Alam mo si Maria? Ano siya mag-English?
Mara, kailan darating si Ed? Bukas ang dating niya. Excited ka?
Oo, sobra.
Mas excited. Ang pogi talaga ni Ed, man.
And
Bagay lang.
I like
Yes.
hair because so long and very sexy.
Anong ina-expect mo kung sakaling iuwi ka na niya?
Baby, siyempre. Babae, lalaki.
Ba't yun agad ang sagot?
It is very important for Ed. Give me 2 kids. That's my dream.
Ay, nalulungkot lang ako na yung kanyang pangarap ay magkaanak. Wala na, hanggang doon na lang. Alam mo yun, sana meron pang iba. Hindi ko sabing hindi yun magandang pangarap, pero...
Nakakaluwag yata siya sa buhay. Ayos naman, tingin ko.
Tayo kunyari, Rose.
Sa mga naging pass niya na parang mas iba si Ed kasi mas malaki yung gap niya.
Hindi lang yun yung wala sa gap niya.
Okay lang para sa akin kung mas mayaman siya.
Tunay ka kapatid. Maria. Sa bigat ba naman ng earrings mo, Pucha? Alam mo yan. Siya naman ang ama ni Rose at gusto niyang malaman kung maganda ba ang intensyon nito ni Ed sa kanya dahil ang laki nga ng age gap.
Maayos naman. Maganda naman tension niya eh.
Online pala kayo nag-chat-chat eh.
No, sige, di pag-usapan na lang namin pagdating niya.
Nako, mga magtalabas ng itak at molo si Bolo si Itay. Baka pa namang kakatay si Itay, itsura na.
I haven't told her this. I don't want to tell her this, but I want to get like nipped.
Magpapabaog siya?
I don't want any more kids.
Isa
I want
lang
to get a
naman siya.
vasectomy, but I don't want to tell her.
Ang tunay na millennial ayaw na ng anak. Hirap ng buhay. Oh, magkikita na sila sa wakas! Woo! Pinakabahan ako. Anong sigaw eh? Yeah! Nagkita na sila. Ikot-ikot. Okay, copyrighted to. Sabi ni Tito YouTube. So, marinig nyo muna yung boses ko. Basta nagkita sila. Yun na yung masaya na sila. Ang cute ni Ed tumakbo. Parang yun sa Toy Story, yung penguin.
Well, I tried squeaking, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me.
So excited and very little bit nervous.
Very nervous din ako, man.
Now I'm standing in front of her, and
Ang cute
I really want to kiss
bumabaon
Rose.
yung dito niya.
I really do.
Ang cute.
But I want to make sure that
Say a hug.
she really likes me.
that you?
What? Am I what you expected? Do you like?
I expected yours told to me.
Tall, more tall?
But short.
Little. Poquito. Poquito. Un pequeño.
Espanyol ba?
Do you...
Nako, Spanish flashbacks.
Capital and largest gulf of the Philippines, rides on the shore of the bay into which the Spaniards sailed in 1570.
Matatapos na rin ang hirap ko sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko rin ng Ed. Nasaan yung Ed ko? Tito Ed! Tara na sa ibang bansa. Ayoko na sa Pilipinas, wala na akong pera.
Huwag ngayon.
I now have faith and love again.
Kakakita nyo pala. Nako! Double check mo Ed ha. Dadagdagan yan. Kilala ko ng mga taxi driver dito sa Pilipinas. Baka galing Clark, baka 1,000 agad yun.
You have such pretty hands.
Siyempre, lagi ako naglalaba po. Lagi
Is
malinis
this the first
yan.
time you... Have you ever stayed at a hotel anywhere before?
You stay with my friends.
Oh, friends?
Yeah.
Oh no, no.
In the same room or the same hotel?
Same room.
Kinakabahan na si Tito Ed.
Little bit drunk. With
Oh no, hindi! Kaya nabuo si Prince.
She won't talk to me about her past.
So hard to English all the time when you're here, Ed. Come on, bring me to the America. I want to see the States.
But I feel
Awkward nila.
nervous because Ed keeps talking to me and my English speaking is little bit and limited.
Bakit pag Amerikano pupunta dito, lagi na natin nag-English? Pwede ba di sila matuto mag-Tagalog bago sila pumunta dito? Ano ba naman yan? Double standards! English-Englishin mo ako sa bayo ko. Punyata!
There's only one bed. Oh, wait a minute, they're pushed together.
Why you want 2 beds?
Because I want to take it slow.
Oh,
Yeah!
you're so sweet.
You take it slow, so slow. Anywhere you...
So I'm not planning on having sex with Rose until she takes an STD test. I want to know for myself that...
Assume meron ka ba't ikaw
I can trust
pa-STD
her.
ka din? So yung cameraman nasa loob lang. Sige lang guys. Dito lang ako.
And
That's my hometown.
oh,
Yeah.
it's nice.
Oh.
It's nice. So you like?
Yeah, like
Okay, so I'm
Ayoko
gonna brush
na.
my teeth.
Parang arrange marriage yung feel eh, no?
How's it going with Ed?
Ed is always talking, is always joking, is always funny. So want to sleep.
Yes, pa demure.
I'm exhausted.
Ito na si Ed. Yes, puta, naka-post pa yung tulog.
After seeing Rose for the first time, I definitely think there's chemistry. Hey Rose, you want to watch TV?
At tutulog na ako, Ed. Kabagulo.
I guess not.
Cameraman. Okay na ba guys? Pwede na ba ako umalis dito?
I love you, my queen.
Ang sweet ni Ed, though. Cute. Gusto ko tayo hug, Ed.
Ladies first.
Marami ko nakikita ang ganito sa Boracay.
Are you excited?
Nako, Ed, wag kang dadantay. Nako, baka kainin ka ng upuan.
Our first day in the Philippines. Look how it is so congested. Look at this.
Ang cute ni Ed tumingin sa bintana.
This is crazy.
Ano to?
I
Divisoria ba
like
to?
it. Don't get me wrong.
Parang Divisoria to.
It's just a lot to take in.
Yan ang hirap pag sa tingin mo, pumapalibot yung mundo sa inyo. Lalo na sa mga sa States, sa UK. Kaya nakapalibot lang yung mundo sa kanila. Kaya yan, wala silang alam ngayon sa ibang mga bansa.
Hi, do you speak English? Does anybody speak English?
Mag-Tagalog
Oh my
ka!
God. Pajamas. I think these are pajamas.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, we have pink.
Ba't hindi kayo sa SM binilhan si Rose? Ano ba yan? Ano ba queen yan?
80 pesos. Give me wallet.
Ed, pawis na si Ed.
180.
Awesome.
Keep the change.
No, no. Keep the change.
It's at 10 pesos. Thank you.
Okay.
See this.
Hindi mo na kaya, Ed. Ano ba? Hirap din ka. Alam ko nag-research ka. Yung mukha ni Ed lang ako lagi natatawa. Bad trip.
Swarm of hot, sweaty people. Right now.
Ikaw lang yung hot and sweaty dito, Ed. Saray ni mga yan. Magkakaroon na siya ng bikini. Malapit na.
It's probably over 100 degrees. I'm sweating my ass off right now.
I want to buy you
Look at
dress
Ed.
with flowers.
Oh, you want to buy a shirt with flowers?
Pagkatapos ito episode na ito, magiging dark blue na yung dapat. Palitan mo na, Ed. Parang awa mo na. Yan. Yung hindi nag-iiba yung kulay pag napapawisan.
480. How much is that? Hold on.
480? Yan? Seryoso ka ba, ate? Kuya, seryoso ka ba? 480 yan? Parang binili ko lang sa SM yan. Huwag nyo niloloko at in-scam si Ed. Mahal ko yan.
480, how much is that? Hold on.
280 lang yan, oy. Ano kasi 280 lang to, ha. Subukan tayo kay Mayor, eh.
I'm not comfortable with Rose grabbing my money because that's not what you do.
Eh, hinahayaan mo, eh. Ngayon pala, ini-spoil mo na, eh. So, mararamdaman mo na. Kaya, ina-assume pa lang natin, di pa natin alam. Tignan natin kung saan aabot ng pagmamahalang ito.
Listen, I am dying. I'm like so hot right now.
Hindi alata, Edge.
I'm soaking wet.
I know.
Rose,
I
I know. I want to go. I am so uncomfortable right now. The only thing I wanted to do was spoil Rose, but
Para sa yung bata na ayaw na, pagod na, tapos mag-iiyak doon sa sahig. Ayaw na, uwi na tayo, wala. So sabi niya rito na nasa-stress na siya kay Rose. Gusto niya sana mahalin si Rose, o spoil siya kasi hindi siya komportable na kinukuha lang na gano'n ng pera ni Rose. Na para siyang ATM. So ayun, nagiging awkward na sa kanya.
I want to lose your card.
I think you're sweet.
I want to lose your tired.
Today's my first day in Manila with Rose.
So yun na yung kanyang damit.
We started our date
Ano to
in a
nangyari?
So Rose, I just can't shake this, and I know I keep asking you again and again, but I
Ano
just
to? Kailangan ko ng intense music.
that you have a lot of friends on Facebook.
We not to talk to all.
So are any of them any of your ex-boyfriends?
No, not.
Ako, mawawala na yung visa card ko. Hindi. Dito, gusto malaman ni Ed yung past ni Rose. Siguro hindi nila napag-uusapan or pag na-open up, ayaw na mapag-usapan ni Rosemarie. So, nawawalan siya ng trust na parang bakit hindi mo sa akin sabihin.
Of course, you only.
Hindi mo sinasagot yung tanong ni Ed. The doubting face.
Okay, Rose just lied to me about having ex-boyfriends on her Facebook. I don't know anything about your past.
I don't want.
You don't want to tell me
ayaw
your past.
balikan.
Please. I don't want to back
Go back, yeah.
my past.
Don't back my
I want to
past.
see my future with you.
Ba.
I have no idea.
Yung mukha ni Ed.
Don't be sad. Let me relax your mind. Okay, don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Hoy, bakit siya lumunok?
I could be her way out. She would come to the U.S. pretending to love me, and I support her and her son to get here, and then she leaves.
Easy. Ang isa sa mga pinaka gusto ko malaman, paano tumuyo yung damit? Bigay ba to sa kanya nung production na sumusunod sa kanila habang nagde-date sila?
You gonna eat with these?
I know.
Hey, I'm gonna stick these in my nose.
So funny.
Yun yung pag nag-joke yung crush mo pero hindi nakakatawa. Nakakali mo.
Then to give you and Prince the best life ever. I want nothing more than that.
Oh, it's nice.
So there's a test that you can take.
You test me?
No, yeah, it's a test for I don't know if you understand it. It's STD, which is
Sexually transmitted disease. Yung mukha niya. Ako, hindi yan ano sa kultura natin. Hindi yan papayag. Payag ba yan? Pero payag ka na. Alam ko parang
Disappointed.
injection. Well, it's better
I
safe than
feel
sorry.
hurt. I feel, my heart crack.
So there. The
You
acting.
want to test me. I feel you not trust me.
Pumayag naman si Rosemarie mag-test pero ang gusto niya si Ed ay magpa-test din kasi parang nasaktan siya na parang ina-assume na kung sino-sino lang ang kanyang sinusok-sok.
You have a test.
you want me to take a test?
Yeah, both of us.
Sanay naman siya. Yun yung mukha ng babaeng bad trip na sa'yo. Alam na, ayaw lang niya sumabog on kasi alam niya nire-record sa yung condescending na urat na sa'yo.
I would feel comfortable in the States. I'll take a test, but I'm not gonna do it here.
Wala siyang tiwala sa Pilipinas.
I would feel more
Because
comfortable.
if I'm first, I take is unfair.
Oh, naku po.
I feel angry. I feel, oh, why you treat me like this?
Kasi hindi nyo pa kasi kilala
Why
sa
can't
isa't isa.
you?
Ayaw mo na may kwento sa kanya mga pinagdaanan mo. So, ano yung kanyang peace of mind? Yun lang siguro yung iniisip ni Ed dito.
For what? It's a past. Yo. Past is
Yo,
past.
yo.
It never come back.
Okay, but then that's not fair to me.
Oh, naku, galit na
I
siya.
can't trust you at this point.
Galit na si Daddy's girl.
If you're not going to talk about your past, then I'm not comfortable moving forward with this relationship.
Ayaw mawapoys ni,
So why don't you think about it?
ni Rosemary. Gusto ko sumabog. Wait lang, kumain na ba kayo? Sayang yung hindi pa nila hinahawakan. Oh, umiyak ka na? Ayoko yung in-order niya. Sabi kong maki sushi. Ang asim nitong mangga, sabi nila hinog. Pagkatapos ng matagalang pag-iyak, kinumpronta na ni Rosemary si Tito Ed.
Tingin niya sa akin,
Yun, Tagalog.
marduming babae. Tingin niya sa akin na,
Kasi di ka niya
basta-basta
kilala.
babae lang.
Hindi ka kasi nagkakwento ng mga pinagdaanan mo. Siguro si Rose meron siyang preconceived, kumbaga iniisip na niya before na, sabihin na natin, kunyari, marami nga siyang lalaking na pagdaanan. Ini-imagine niya sa kultura natin, iba ganun ang tingin. Pero sa States, normal lang sa iba, normal lang yun. Ang ayaw lang ay merong sakit. Ayaw lang siguro ni Edito yung merong sakit. Kaya nga una niyang tanong, marami ka ba naging boyfriend? Eh hindi mo sinasagot. Ang kanya siguro naisip na isang indirect question ay STD kasi di ba pag mas marami hindi naman ibig sabihin marami may STD ka na agad eh. Pwede una mo pala may STD ka na.
I'm not going to leave you here. I want to make sure that you get home safe.
Don't worry about me.
No, I am going to worry about you.
I don't care.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no,
Because
bumalik.
my hurt. So I'm go home in my own. You know, it's what I mean, my feeling. So I want to be angry to you. I love you, but
No,
I want to go home in my own.
in my own.
I don't need your worry right now. Okay?
Nakakatakot pala si Rosemary pa nagagalit. Lumalaki yung mata eh. Ed! Hirap pero pag lagi yung lalaki yung nasa katwiran, yung babae magagalit lang. Ako sige na ako na yung magsosorry. Pwede na ba ako makapasok sa party mo? Huwag kang titiklob, Ed.
Very hurt.
Yung mata mo, Rosemary, wag! Natutunaw na. Oh, pucha, umirap pa! Wasak!
And I'm sorry.
You
I'm
know,
not going to spend the rest of my life with somebody I can't trust.
You want to know who's the father of your prince?
Father, salang.
It's my own her life.
Hindi yun yung point, Rosemary. Ang gusto niya malaman, ano siya sa buhay mo. Yun yung tinatanong niya, hindi kamusta siya. Hindi niya papakasalan yung nakabuntis sa'yo.
Nung nagkakilala kami ng tatay ng anak ko, binata siya. So, nung nagkahiwalay kami, doon siya nagkaroon ng bagong pamilya. Matagal na kaming hiwalay.
Pero hindi, pinagbabayad mo ba yung tatay? Diba lagi na lang babae ang naghihirap? Pagbayarin mo siya, ba't pinapabayaan nyo lang ng ganun? Pwede mo nga siya kasuha kung hindi ka tutulungan in any way, shape, or form.
Now, I've been not talking to each other.
Minsan nauuna kasi yung pride ng babae. Dapat sabihin natin ayaw nyo na sa isa't isa. Pero kuhanan mo siya ng something. Hindi pwede ikaw lang tapos sasabihin mo hindi mo siya kailangan. Hindi mo siya kailangan eh. Dapat yung lalaki may responsibilidad din sa'yo. Hindi nyo na kailangan lagi ng pagmamahal. Kuhanan mo siya ng kailangan mo para hindi ka hirap, para hindi ka nakahiga lang doon sa likod ng store ng iyong kapatid. Yung maling gamit ng pride. Ganda pa rin.
That's all.
This is all I wanted was what you just said. That's right there. That's all I wanted.
Hindi ka nakakaintindi.
Okay.
Don't want to talk to you because you don't understand me.
Well, hello. I
Mag-Tagalog.
don't speak Tagalog, please.
Hindi mag-Tagalog ka.
Balak sa buhay mo.
Rose, we're getting somewhere. Please.
Baka pumutok yung tagyawat mo, Rose. Relax lang. Hinga. Yung mga nanonood sa likod.
So, Rose, I can book you a hotel?
Book your new hotel and I want to go to sleep and go to home or morning.
Okay.
Opo, dalagang Pilipina.
10 minutes away. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and book your room.
Bumaliktad kay Ed yung kanya. Kala mo mati na eh. Hindi. Bumalik. Sinampal sa leeg si Ed. Ano na nangyari doon sa pagkain doon? Sino kakain doon? Okay,
For
wala
what it's worth,
usap.
I'm sorry.
No, Ed! Hindi! Mahal kita. Kung nalamahalin mo, huwag na yan. Dali mo ako sa States. Gusto ko guminhawa buhay ko. Ayan pa isa.
Do you not believe in love?
No, hindi Ed, kala mo lang yan, nandun ka lang sa mali yung feelings mo, wag kang lumayo, susundan ka namin, nasa kontrata mo to. So ito, sinabi lang ni Ed na nagsisisi siya sa tinanong niya the next day, so ayun.
I'm texting Rose in Tagalog using a translator app to show her that I'm really trying to connect and understand her.
Naku, baka may mali-mali dyan. Kamusta ka na dyan, baby? Kamusta na dyan, sanggol? Ngayon, ginusto ni Ed makipagkita sa isang cafe kay Rosemarie para mapag-usapan ang kanilang pinag-awayan.
Well, thank you for coming. I wanted to tell you face-to-face that I'm sorry.
You understand what my point last night?
Yes, I need to learn how to communicate and understand what you're saying to me.
Oh, thank you.
Ginawa ka lang kasi offensive ni, ni nung babae.
For me, it's hurt my past.
What?
So you don't ask me again for you want the test?
Never.
I think for now, Ed, respect my boy, respect my past, respect me like a girlfriend, like a future wife, like a love someone.
Well, iba kasi yung respeto na tinatago sa respeto na alam niya and then nire-respeto ka, di ba? Paano kanya nire-respeto kung hindi nga niya alam yung past? Yun lang naman yung point niya. Ginawa niya kasi... Aray! Aray! Sinasaktan mo ako! Putay na, sinasaktan mo, Rose. Makikita mo ginawa mo. Bakit mo talaga, Ed? Gusto ko siya maging tito.
Yes. So can you sit down right here?
Gusto ko yung wala emotion yung
Yeah, just, okay. You ready? Okay, so this is for you.
Wow, thank you.
And can I give a toast?
Sure.
To my queen.
Oh,
And
you're your queen.
you're my queen?
Huh?
And who am I?
You are your queen.
No, I hope I'm not your queen. You're the queen and I am the...
King, you are my king.
Okay, I love you. Cheers. Oh my God, that's awesome. Okay.
Nakabaon na yung pa ako dun sa sahig. Nakagano na. Oh, copyright na ba Tito Yucho dito naman gusto niyang masahihin ang paa ng dalagang Pilipina natin. Yeah. Ang awkward leche. Ay, wala.
How do you say kiss in Tagalog?
Halik.
Bilat.
May I halik you?
Wag mo na. Wag.
Yes, please.
Hey!
The other one.
Okay.
The middle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Nakalik kami yung
Okay,
tagyawan.
one kiss. Can you lean in? Okay. What about on the lips?
Di ba awkward to doon sa nagka-cameraman sa gilid?
Oh my God, that was nice. That was our first kiss.
Oh, kinilig si ate mong girl! Alam nyo na matuto kayo kay Tito Ed. Basta mo gusto kayo halikan, masahin nyo yung pa. Awkward dito Ed. Parang may gusto siyang sabihin na ewan.
On our way to Rose's hometown, Caloocan, which
Caloocan!
is 3 hours
Yes,
away
Ed,
from Manila.
let's go. Medyo mahaba na yung video na yon. Ipabutin yung 10K likes, lalabas agad natin yung episode 2. Magkikita na sila ng kanyang pinakamamahal sa Caloocan. So then like, share nyo sa mga kaibigan yung gusto makaluwas at makaginhawa ang buhay. Ed out. At ako, itutuloy ko pa to.